Hey guys, welcome back to Adele DIY. So today I'm going to teach you how to make healthy 4-ingredient easy oat balls. Now without further ado, let's get into it. The first step is to preheat your oven to 350 degrees because this is actually the step that takes the longest. The first step is to cut up 2 bananas. If you're only using one, then just half the recipe. Also, it's better if your bananas are more ripe because then the end result will be sweeter. And mash them up with a fork. Once your bananas are fully mashed, add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar into your mixture. This is optional, but you can also add a little sprinkle of cinnamon. Half a cup of chocolate chips. I'm using semi-sweet, but it really doesn't matter. And lastly, 1 cup of rolled oats. Incorporate your rolled oats slowly because you want to make sure that the mixture still holds together. And there's your completed mixture. Now just roll it into balls, and these balls are not going to expand or contract or anything, so wherever you put them on the baking sheet is where they're going to stay. Make sure to squeeze them together. They're going to be very wet and mushy, but that's how they're supposed to be. And now put them in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. Now you have to wait about 5 to 10 minutes for them to cool down, but they look so yummy and I'm very excited to try them. Now that they've cooled off, we can finally try them. These are amazing, especially when they've just come out of the oven, so the chocolate is still melting. So in the center you just get like a bunch of melted chocolate and it's so good. Mwah. These are fabulous. 10 out of 10. Would recommend. Since I'm obviously not going to eat all of these right now, what you can do to store them is put them in a clear Pyrex container or any kind of container and put them in the fridge, and they'll last a week and you can have them anytime as a healthy snack. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a like and comment down below. Also hit that big red subscribe button so you're notified every time I post a new video. See you guys next week. Bye guys. Mwah.